Welcome to FitFocus, the only channel where we tell you to move your body while secretly wishing we were on the couch. Today we're tackling a 10-minute full-body home workout. No equipment needed because who even owns a gym machine at home? This workout is quick, effective, burns calories, and most importantly, makes you feel like you did something productive today. We all want abs-toned arms, strong legs, and the ability to carry all the groceries in one trip without breaking a sweat. Lucky for you, we're going to do all that with nothing but your body weight and 10 minutes of your precious existence. So stop scrolling on your phone, stop pretending that watching fitness videos counts as exercise, and actually join in. You don't need dumbbells, you don't need bands, you don't even need shoes. Just you, gravity, and the floor. That's it. Now before we start, here's the deal. This workout targets arms, legs, core, glutes, back, and even that lazy attitude. We're going to push, pull, squat, and plank our way to greatness. And yes, it will burn. But that's the good kind of burn. Don't worry, I'll explain every move, and you can do it at your own pace. Just don't collapse like a drama star halfway through. First up, jumping jacks. Classic move. Arms up, arms down, legs in, legs out. Look like a starfish having a breakdown. This gets your heart pumping, blood moving, and body warmed up. 1 minute of this, and you'll already regret pressing play. But hey, if you can't handle jumping jacks, maybe you just need to clap slowly and call it a warm-up. Totally up to you. Next, squats. Feet shoulder width apart. Lower down like you're sitting on a chair that doesn't exist. Keep your chest up. Squats hit your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and basically make stairs 10 times harder tomorrow. Congratulations in advance. If you want to feel fancy, squeeze at the top like you're posing for a non-existent fitness magazine cover. Now push-ups. Drop down, hands under shoulders, core tight, lower your chest, push back up. Easy, right? Wrong. Push-ups are the classic move everyone thinks they can do until they realize gravity is not their friend. Stay strong. Modify on your knees if you must. Nobody's judging you, except maybe your dog who looks more fit than you already.
After that,
we're doing mountain climbers.
halfway plank position.
Drive your knees in fast like you're running from your problems. This move torches your abs, works shoulders, and gives your heart rate a free roller coaster ride. Keep those hips low. If you slow down, just pretend you're climbing a mountain in slow motion. Nobody needs to know. Next, we've got glute bridges. Lie down, knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips up like you're powering a human elevator. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Hold for a second, lower back down. Your butt will thank you later, or maybe not. This move makes sitting down tomorrow a new adventure. But hey, beauty is pain, or in this case, glute pain. Plank time. Forearms down, body straight, core tight. Don't sag, don't arch, just hold it like your dignity depends on it. Planks are the ultimate test of mental strength. You'll rethink every decision that led you here in just 30 seconds. If you shake, that's normal. If you cry, also normal. If you collapse, maybe pause the video and rethink your life choices. Now reverse lunges. Step back, drop the knee, come up, switch legs. Try not to fall over like a baby giraffe learning to walk. Lunges, sculpt your legs, strengthen your glutes, and improve balance. Though balance might not show up today. Sorry. Bonus tip. Add a dramatic sigh every rep to release tension and confuse anyone watching you from the hallway. After lunges, let's go with bicycle crunches. Lie down, hands behind head, elbow to opposite knee, switch sides. It's like pedaling an imaginary bike that never moves, except your abs scream louder than a broken horn. Keep going. If your neck hurts, relax. You're not pulling with your head, you're twisting with your core. Yes, it's supposed to hurt burpees. Yes, the move everyone loves to hate. Squat down, jump back, push-up optional, jump up. Repeat until misery sets in. Burpees are the full-body, fat-burning, soul-crushing move that proves you don't need a gym to question your existence. If you hate burpees, join the club. We meet daily and complain while secretly knowing they actually work miracles. Now let's do side planks. Lie on your side, elbow under shoulder, lift hips, hold. Switch sides before you collapse. Side planks tighten your obliques, improve stability, and make you look like a human board. Stylish, right? If it feels impossible, remember, so did walking once upon a time. You'll live, probably. For a little spice, high knees. Stand tall. Drive those knees up fast. Pump arms, go like you're late for a flight. High knees shred calories, build endurance, and make your neighbors wonder why you're stomping around upstairs. If you slow down, just say you're practicing low knees. Still counts. Now, let's circle back with squat jumps. Squat down, explode up, land soft, repeat. Like a kangaroo auditioning for TV, this move strengthens legs, boosts power, and teaches you why athletes groan during training montages. If you can't jump, stick to bodyweight squats. Nobody's handing out trophies, but hey, effort matters. Push-up hold with shoulder taps. In plank, tap one shoulder, then the other. Try not to sway like a ship in a storm. This fries your arms, chest, core, and coordination. If you face plant, laugh it off and keep going. Controlled taps mean strong stability, so don't rush like you're swatting invisible flies. Almost done. Don't quit now. Let's do flutter kicks. Lie down, hands under hips, legs straight, kick up and down fast. This works lower abs and hip flexors. It feels like swimming without water, or like your core is filing a complaint. If you can't keep legs low, raise them higher. It's easier, but still torture. Finally, let's cool down with standing stretches. Reach arms up, fold forward, touch toes, roll shoulders, breathe. Stretching resets the body, eases tension, and convinces you the workout wasn't actually that bad after all. Congratulations, you've survived 10 minutes. Maybe you're sweaty, maybe you're tired, but hey, you did more than nothing. This 10-minute full-body home workout can be your go-to routine when life gets busy and excuses pile up like laundry. Do it daily, and you'll notice stronger muscles, better stamina, improved mood, and maybe even tighter jeans. You don't need fancy gear, a gym membership, or a trainer yelling in your face. Just consistency and a little self-motivation. Each of these bodyweight moves targets multiple muscles, boosts metabolism, and keeps you active without long sessions. 10 minutes sounds small, but it adds up. Over time, you'll build strength, burn fat, and gain confidence in your body. Plus, let's be honest, 10 minutes is less time than you waste arguing online with strangers about pineapple on pizza. Remember, workouts don't have to be perfect. They just need to be done. Progress over perfection is the real secret here. If you're struggling today, that's fine. Tomorrow you'll be stronger, and next week you'll laugh at how weak you felt today. Fitness isn't about punishment, it's about showing up for yourself, even if your bed was calling your name louder. So stick with it, laugh through the pain, and accept that soreness is just your muscles saying, "We're upgrading." Thank you for sweating with me here on FitFocus, the channel where we make fitness fun, sarcastic, and a little painful. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who claims they're too busy to work out. 10 minutes says otherwise. Drop a comment if you survived, brag a little, or just complain about burpees. We're all in this painful boat together. See you next time. Maybe for another workout, maybe for stretching, maybe for me reminding you to drink more water. Till then, stay strong, stay consistent, and remember, you don't need equipment to crush a workout, just commitment.